Hi friends, today we are going to make rajma. Please note down the ingredients. Hi friends, so today we are making rajma. So I have soaked this rajma overnight and then I have taken 2 whistles along with added salt, and this is how it looks. So now we start preparing it. I have taken a kadhai and in which I am adding oil. So now we'll add some cloves into it and some tej patta into it. Now let it release flavors for a few seconds. Now then we'll add the masala. Now we are adding jeera to it and it will start cracking, and then we'll add onions, chopped onions to it. Now as you can see that the onions have turned pinkish, now we'll add crushed ginger garlic to it. Now you can see all these spices have been brown, and now we'll add the dry masalas to it. So first we'll add haldi powder to it, then we'll add some red chili powder to it, and then we'll add Kashmiri red chili powder so that it will give a red gravy. Now at last we'll add coriander powder to it, which is a bit more in the quantity, and the most important thing, which is salt as per taste. So now we'll add the chopped tomatoes to it. So now we'll add this tomato puree to it. I am using a market one, so it is by Tata. Now in this pandemic time we are only using Tata product because it is made in India and it's from Tata. The gravy, how red it is, and it's so appetizing as well. Now as you can see that the masalas and the onion and ginger, they all have left that oil. Oil is separate now, and it has been roasted so well that it had released all its flavors, and it's time to add our boiled rajma to it. Now we'll transfer this to the cooker and we'll take one whistle as well. I have added some water to it just to adjust the consistency, and then now I am adding roasted cumin powder along with roasted black pepper powder. It's my secret ingredient in rajma. Look at this, how beautiful it has come out. See. Now some final ingredients. Now we'll add a little bit of butter to it, and I'm adding garam masala powder to it, just a bit. And finally we are adding some coriander leaves or cilantro, and here it goes. It's ready to be served. Look at this. This is the final result, and it has really turned out to be very beautiful and very yummy. Thank you friends for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.